How to make a half double crochet increase. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we will make one more half double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. That is a half double crochet increase. Let's repeat. 1 half double crochet, and a second half double crochet into the same stitch. Great! Now you know how to make half double crochet increase.